Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I'm going to teach you how to make these yummy and delicious chicken fried rice. So let's get started. Here's the ingredient list. You can go ahead, pause, and take a screenshot. Hey friends, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the bell icon so you can get notified whenever I post new videos. For the boiled chicken, you will need chicken, soy sauce, salt, black pepper, chili flakes, and white pepper. We will take a pot, we will add the chicken to it. To that we will add the soy sauce and the spices. We will cook that until the water dries. Now in a larger pot we're going to add salt, around 2 teaspoons of salt. To that we're going to add the rice and we're going to boil that until it's partially done as shown, like 3/4 way done. So for the main ingredients we need cabbage, capsicum, and carrots. We will also need soy sauce, coriander powder, black pepper and white pepper, chili flakes, sugar, and salt. We will need the boiled chicken, spring onions, ginger garlic paste, the boiled rice, and 3 eggs beaten with salt and black pepper. In a large pot, we're going to add oil. To that, we're going to add the ginger garlic paste, and we are going to stir fry that for a little bit. Once it's browned, we're going to add the vegetables, and we're going to stir fry those for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we will add all the spices along with the soy sauce, and we are going to give it a good mix. Now the chicken, and give it a good mix, and just stir fry it for a little while. Now on the skillet, I'm going to add the eggs, and I'm just going to fry it for a little bit, and once it's done, I'm going to chop it up into little pieces and add it to the stir-fried mixture and give it a good stir fry as well. Now we're just going to add the spring onions. I've only added half because I'm going to add the other half on the top. Once the mixture is done, we're just going to add the rice, and then we're going to mix it up a bit, as it's easier to mix up once the rice is like 3/4 ways done, as shown, because it doesn't break. Now for the last part, we're just going to add the rest of the spring onions and some yellow food coloring, which is optional, you don't have to. We're going to take a damp towel, put it on the lid, and give it thumb. And then once it's done, after 15 minutes, we take off the lid. And there you go. It's all ready. And definitely you will enjoy this recipe. And if you do make it, don't forget to tag me in your pictures. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have a great day. Allah Hafiz.